This is going to be a video tutorial on how to manually check for updates in the Microsoft Edge web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Edge here. I have the Microsoft Edge web browser opened up now. To manually check for updates, you want to go off to the upper right hand corner over to the three-dot menu. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Help and Feedback and place your mouse cursor over Help and Feedback. Then you'll slide straight off to the left and you want to go down to where it says About Microsoft Edge. Click on About Microsoft Edge. That'll take you to this page. And right up in this area, it says Microsoft Edge is up to date. It tells me what version I'm currently using. If my browser was not up to date, it would say there is an update available, and there would be a button down below here saying Restart to Update. That is how to manually check for updates in the Microsoft Edge web browser. Thanks for watching.